So a little update, we are here in Vinderla, Kaupa at my grandparents. We just arrived a few days ago and we are moored on the mooring ball in this beautiful place. We had some issues with the boat. The Furlex guiding arm, it broke, it's aluminum, but we moved these guys a little down to get the correct angle and I think it's nice. So now we're gonna cut off this arm because this is not good, and we're gonna have a look at the rudder because it's making some sounds. Yeah, and that's Grandpa's boat right there. Alright, so we just cut it off and now I'm gonna smooth it out. That looks good. This is the sound.
Är det ingen plats du kan smöra med grisrassa?
Ikke som jeg har sett nå.
Både några.
Og så andre veien. Litt til. Ja.
Ser du platan?
Ja, man ser det. Den beveger seg.
Ja, det ser jeg.
My grandpa helped me make some temporary fixes for my problems. He made some rudder stoppers and improved the Furlex. But we cannot, however, figure out what made that deep slamming sound in the rudder. So if anyone have any suggestions, please let me know. It's been a year and I still don't know what causes it. The sound is less, but it's still there. Anyway, we enjoyed a couple of beautiful days at my grandparents' place. We celebrated midsummer and then afterwards we brought my grandma and we sailed on north with her, taking her on her first sail trip ever.
Där så är jag säkert.
We enjoyed a very beautiful and scenic sail from Bindal, where my grandparents live, to Brønnøysund, where my grandparents used to live. So for my grandma, it was quite a trip down memory lane. We also passed Hurtigruten, which she used to work on with my grandfather, and where also my dad worked, and my mother, and my aunt, and my cousin, and even my uncle. So everyone has been working there. After we came to Brønnøysund, my grandfather picked up my grandmother and they went back home. In the next episode, me and Eline is continuing the sail up north, so stay tuned for that. Also, I want to say that it's been almost 3 years since I filmed this episode, and in the meantime, our dear grandfather passed away quite tragically. So this episode is in memory of him, and I'm gonna keep it quite short. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.